Before we head into the video, make sure to subscribe to Richie on Tour for some amazing private jet videos. His channel will be linked in the description. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to have a look at some helicopter crashes and close calls. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. This truck hits a helicopter as it passes by. This Red Bull helicopter crashes into a building. Thankfully the pilot was okay.
Tonight the music singing so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it's better this way.
This helicopter attempted to take off in a crowded place but couldn't and then landed back down. This overloaded helicopter takes off on an aircraft carrier and nearly crashes. While starting up, this helicopter vibrated so much that it started breaking apart. This helicopter struggled to take off near a crowded place and nearly hit some people. Thankfully it landed back down safely. While trying to land, this helicopter nearly tips over and crashes into the water.